So people are coming up to me telling me that I'm copying Jalen Hurts with the goatee. If I wanted to, I could fill it in a little more because it's not as dense as Jalen Hurts. I'll show you how. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our Boost hair fiber. We're gonna grab our application card. Just put it right on the outside right there. And when you're pumping the fiber with your finger, you wanna have a really soft touch and consistent. You don't wanna push hard sometimes and soft the other times. Because then if you push too hard, you get these black spots. I should have stopped here, but for some reason I kept going. So what you want to never do with hair fiber is go overboard. And I went overboard. Right now, I've washed everything off, but it's still dark in certain areas where it wasn't as dark before. And that's because even if I use water to wash it off, which I just did, I wiped it off with water, the spots where you have hair, the hair fiber will adhere to a lot better. That's a good look. I don't think I look like Jalen Hurts though, but I'm still the MVP.
Damps.